Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how using a VPN for Valorant can change your game. Whether it's about improving your speed, or you want to reduce the facility pings, or you want to connect to a region locked server to play with your friends worldwide. It's about changing your game by simply using a VPN. Alright, so you might be wondering why you need a VPN for Valorant. Well, it's a super fast-paced game and your connection issues when you mess it right. So here's the deal. When you connect to a VPN, you're basically rerouting your internet traffic to a different region. You can have reduced pings by choosing a server closer to Valorant team's server. That means you will have faster response time and fewer lag spikes. Now, not all VPN are created equally when it comes to gaming. Some VPN can actually slow down your connection, which is a big no if you're looking to improve your Valorant gameplay. So what you should look for in a VPN? Okay, so first you need a VPN with low latency and wide variety of servers. Secondly, you need to look for the VPN that has dedicated gaming mods and gaming servers. The closer is your VPN server to the Valorant team server, the better will be your connection. Now, let's discuss the top VPN that VPNs have picked for gaming. Okay, so first we got ExpressVPN, which is an excellent choice for gaming if you are looking for fast speed and low latency, which are important factors to reduce ping and lag. Also, it has 3000 plus servers, so you can connect to the closest server to the Valorant server, ensuring smooth and lag-free experience. So next we have NordVPN, which is a great all-round VPN with 6000 plus servers in 111 countries. It has NordLynx protocol, which is designed to offer fast and secure connection. It's awesome for reducing pings while keeping your data safe. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still offers great gaming experience, then Surfshark is an excellent choice. It also offers NoBorders and Camouflage modes to bypass internet restrictions and prevent your ISP from throttling your connection. I have personally tested these VPNs and I must say that VPN really make a difference with your Valorant game experience. So no more game lagging. So that's the rundown on using a VPN for Valorant. If you found this video helpful, give the thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also let me know in the comment section which VPN you are using.